My name is Alex. Thank you for joining me. If you are new here, and if you are a regular, welcome. Thank you for joining me. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I post a lot of yoga videos, maybe a short video here and then with food, and you guys seem to like the food one, or someone did. All right, this is going to be a slightly shorter flow today. No props required. Big toes together, knees apart. On an exhale, walk your hands out and away from you. Soften down. Bring your awareness to the present moment, to the breath. Relax the muscles of your face. Arrive. Press up to a tabletop position. Tuck the toes and let's draw some circles with the torso. Forward, left, back, and around. Almost to an upward facing dog, almost back to a child's pose. Switch directions. Neutral spine. Let's do one round of cat-cow. Inhale, arch, press away. Exhale, round. Neutral. Extend the right leg back and up. Hip height, knee faces down. Lengthen through the torso. Bend the right knee. And let's draw some circles to the right, back, and around. Soft elbows to keep the torso somewhat steady. Squirrel. Hi. Let's step the right foot up to the outside edge of the mat. So we're in a low lizard lunge, or I guess they're all low. Shoulders away from the ears. Both hands are inside the right foot and leg. From here, inhale, lift the chin. Exhale, tuck the chin. One more time. And lower. I have peanuts for the squirrel. Unsalted, shelled, dry roasted. And I think they know it. Bring the right foot between the hands. We're in a kneeling lunge. And sit all the way back for a half split. So you can sit on a block. You can sit like I am inside of the left foot. Arms extend overhead. Exhale, fold. Feel the back of the leg opening up. The knee can be soft. Focus on the breath. Sit up. Shift your weight forward into a lunge. Tuck the left toes, lift the back knee. Lunge twist. Draw in the core slightly because the hips are starting to open. Left arm down, right arm reaches. Right hand down. Right foot back to a plank. And let's lower all the way down. Rest the forehead on the left hand. Bring the right foot in, quad stretch. switch sides. Release. Press up to a tabletop and back to child's pose just for a long exhale. Tabletop. One round of cat-cow. So intentional. Inhale, arch. Round, exhale. Neutral. Left leg lifts back and up. Lengthen through the torso. Now bend the left knee and find those circles. Out to the side and around. Did you hear that helicopter? Left foot steps to the top of the mat for a lizard lunge. Both hands are inside of the left foot. I'm going to stay propped up on my fingertips. Like I did on the other side, take this where you want to. Come back to the breath, come back to the present moment. Release. Sit back. Repeat whatever variation of a half split you did on the first side here. Lengthen up and fold over the left leg, opening the left hamstring. Lift up. Shift the weight forward. Lunge, tuck the back toes, lift the right knee. Lunge twist, right hand down, left arm opens. Left hand back down. Left foot back to plank. Lower all the way down. This time, cactus the left arm. We're going to open up through the chest. Let's roll onto the left hip. I like to use my right hand as a pillow. You can also extend the left arm if that feels better. Palm faces down. Release, switch sides. Oops. Move your microphone. And roll into the right hip, cactusing the right arm. Use the breath to stretch through the chest and the shoulders. And come back to center. Let's do one cobra. Press the tops of the feet down. Lift up halfway. Let's hold here for a couple of breaths. And lower. Press up, tabletop. Downward facing dog. Just one. Press through each heel, bend one knee at a time. Feel it out, but also find some stillness. Relax the head and the neck. Stretch the entire back body. Lower your knees to the mat. Inhale. Exhale, child's pose. Sit back. Take a breath. Take a few slow, long breaths. Bring yourself to the present moment. Remember when we first arrived in child's pose. We're here again, but you have actively shifted your energy, chosen what to do with your time, with your breath. You can always do that. Connect with the present and breathe for a few more rounds of breath. Stay here as long as you'd like. Namaste.